Okay, now welcome back to our class, everyone. So in this session, we are going to study this book, everyone. So I hope you have this book with all of you right now. The book is Speaking Tutor 3A. And in this lesson, everyone, we are going to go to lesson 4. And in the lesson 4, we are going to review what we have learned from the previous lesson. And what we are going to review here is to prepare your presentation. It is very helpful because you are going to learn some tips in order to improve your English presentation. Now everyone, so in this video we are going to look at how you develop your reason, how you give support your reason, how you give more detail in order to make your idea much stronger. And here the topic that we are going to use for this demonstration is my favorite person. As you remember, in this lesson we use some word to describe people. For example, the word like loyal, cheerful, considerate, depressed. Okay, all those words are used to describe people. But how do we know those people who are cheerful act like? How do we know what type of person that we call considerate? So we need to give more detail and more information in order to support your idea. Let's say you say the favorite person, you choose your brother as your favorite person. So you need to give reason to support your idea. You say you like him, and the question is why you like your brother. So you need to give reason, and in your reason you need to give more detail in order to support the reason that you present. Now everyone, let's look at how we are going to use those reasons effectively. And here I have a simple topic, my favorite person, and on this side it is the sample answer that I am going to do for all of you, which is about my favorite people personally. And after I finish doing all of these, I complete all the information here. You know how I support my reason. And after that, you are going to do the same, but with your own topic. Your topic can be your favorite person or your favorite pet. Now everyone, are you ready to see how I am doing this type of exercise? Okay, let's start together. Now everyone, let's start. So there are 3 reasons here. There are 3 reasons, but you can give more than 3 reasons. It depends on your idea. If you get more idea, you can give more reason. For example, let's say there are 5 reasons, there are 6 reasons based on your own idea. If you have a lot of idea to support why you like that person, okay, it's a good idea to add more. But here in this video, I choose only 3 reasons. So the person that I choose is my mother. So there are 3 reasons why my mother is my favorite person. So you state the reason first. So what is the first reason for me? First, my mother is important to me. Important to me. So this is the first reason. My mom or my mother, she is the most important person in my life. Why? Why I said my mom is important to me? Sure, I need to give more detail, more reason to support the first reason here. So because she is always with me since I was a baby. Right, I cannot grow up like who I am now without my mom. She's very important. Without her, I don't know where I am today. She looked after me, she gives me food, she gives me clothes, she tell me a good advice. So she is the most important person in my life. And second, my mother is very helpful. So my mother is very helpful. Why I say my mother is very helpful? I need to give example. So my example is, for example, she always help me learn. So my mom is very helpful. When I was a kid, I could remember that I did not understand math lesson, and I go to ask her at like 9 o'clock at night, and she is very helpful. She stopped doing her work and come to me and explain the lesson to me, even though at that time she was very tired and she was busy doing her stuff. But still, she put her stuff away and came to help me learn the lesson. She's very helpful. She does help me a lot since I was a child up until now. Even nowadays, if I ask for help, she is always there to help me, everyone. So this is the reason why I said my mom is very, very helpful. And lastly, my mom is worried. Sorry, not my mom is, but my mom care about me. So she always taking care of me, and then when I leave home, I come here to live in the city, and she is in the province, but she's still taking care of me. She's worried about how I live, what time I ate, what time I go to sleep, what food I am eating. She always calls for me, which means she care about me every day, everyone. So she is very, very worried about me. That is the reason why I like her as my favorite person in my life. So here, she care about me. How I said she care about me? Because she's always call me and ask how I am. It's every day, everyone. She always call. My mom will always call me and ask, oh, have you ate breakfast yet? Have you had lunch yet? Or what time did you go to sleep last night? Are you okay today? So she's very, very care about me. So here, one, as you can see, this is the way that I am doing this, which means to give my reason and give more detail in order to support my own reason. This is how I do it. Now you know the step and the way to do it. It is the time for all of you to start doing this type of thing by yourself. You need to choose a topic and give reason, and then give more detail in order to support your reason. You can find some template on your books, everyone. So if you open your books to page, okay, let me open the books to page 44. Here on page 44, the last box here is for you to write your answer. Now everyone, it's time for all of you to practice what you have learned from this video, and when you are doing the exercise, it's just the review exercise that you have already learned. I think it's very easy. Now everyone, let's start doing those exercise, and don't forget to send your answer to your teacher.